Okay, so hi everyone, this is Old Duckling. Today I'm going to be teaching my brothers,
your sister,
Woodsipy and Proof Money, how to code a simple website. So we're going to be doing something like this. So if you want to do it along with us, just pick a character, any character you want. You can even do it about yourself. And we're going to write their name up here, an image of that person, a quote, and a description of that person. It's going to look something like this at the end of it. So first of all, download Visual Studio Code if you don't already have it, and install the live server. I'm going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code as well as the live server. I provided the link in the description for both. If you already did this, skip to around 2 minutes and 4 seconds. First, download the installer for Visual Studio Code that matches your operating system. Run the installer and follow the instructions on screen. After you download it, accept the agreement, click next, and make any changes here if you want to install it somewhere else. Tell them you want a desktop icon unless you don't, and that's okay. Now we're just gonna wait for it to install. Okay, now just launch Visual Studio Code. The theme for Visual Studio Code is dark by default. In the future of this video, it will be light. If you want to change yours, you can go to File, Preferences, Color Theme, or just click on Color Theme on the right there and select the color theme that best suits you from the drop-down options. Now we are going to download the live server. The live server will provide you with a local server to reload your browser whenever you make changes and save your code. We already have Visual Studio Code, so click Continue and click Yes to switch apps. This is going to show up. Now click on that tiny little button that says Install. And once it says uninstall, you're good to go. After you've installed the Visual Studio Code and installed the server, just open your File Explorer. So that's your folders. Okay, and in there we're going to go to wherever you want to save your project. So I have a folder here created called Web Projects. This is where I'm saving all my websites in. So right now we're going to create a new one. So you're going to go ahead and go over here and create a new folder. So do that. So Woodsipy is taking control here. Create the new folder and name it, give it a name, just say My First Web. Woodsipy here decided to name it My First Web. Okay, and press enter. Why was that so laggy?
This is just like my computer.
And then open that folder. Open the folder you just created. And then you're gonna create 3 folders inside of that one. So click 3 times. Okay, and then give them a name. For the first one, you want to name it.
How do you change it again?
Oh, to change the name, right click on it and click rename. And then you're gonna name public. One of them is gonna be named public. Okay, and then move on to the.
I hate how sensitive this thing is. Nah.
Well, you have to click. You have to make sure you save it. Okay. Go to the next one. Click rename styles. That's where you're gonna save your CSS files. I'm gonna explain what that is later. And then the third folder is gonna be where you save your images. So name it images.
I deleted the other one because you said no, not that one.
Okay, and Okay, after that, after you've done that, go and search on Google, or if you have a picture of yourself, whatever. Go on Google. Go to Google and just download the picture you're gonna use. And save it in that folder. Look for the folder where you have the.
Do I put web?
Look for the folder. So you saved it. Look for the folder you created. And double click on it. And then go to images. And then save it there. You can give it a name, a meaningful name. Yeah. Make sure it's a JPEG image, because I don't know what that is. But we just try it. I don't know if it's going to work.
Wait, do I go for an image?
Just search it, whatever. Okay, after you have the image downloaded, now go to your Visual Studio, open it, and open folder. You're gonna click on that one. Okay, and then you're gonna go to the folder that you created, that one, My First Web, and select just that folder. No, don't click on any of those inside. Just the folder
Select?
That's going to be the main project folder.
Do I select
Yeah.
it?
That's going to be the daddy of the other 3 folders.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're going to see that you have your folders there. So in public, that's where you're going to save your HTML files. Those are the...
Oh, don't I have to make one in HTML?
Yeah, but click on your public folder. Just select it. And then see at the top where that thing shows up, it says, has a little, those things.
This?
The first one says new file. You're going to click on it. And then you're going to name it index dot HTML. And click enter. And that's, you have that blank space right there. And then to...
Wait, you're done? Enter. Press enter.
And that's going to open up. So now you're going to put an exclamation point.
And then enter?
Type and then enter. And now you have all that code there for you to start the website. So the first part of it is just telling you that this document, it's an HTML type. Okay, so it's letting the computer know you're going to be writing HTML. And then here you're telling it that the language is English. If you're writing in a different language, you can write, for example, if you're in Spanish, you write ES. That's for Spanish.
Nah, I just hover my mouse over it.
Then the head element, it tells you right there what it is. So basically, this is where you write everything for your metadata. That's just letting people know what your website is about. This right here lets the computer know that it needs to resize depending on the width of the device. So if you're on a phone, it's going to scale down to a phone. If you're on a bigger screen, it's going to scale down to that one. So for the title, you're going to put the title is going to be the name of the person you chose.
Wait, is it?
And that's going to show up on the tab. Proof Money over here chose to name his person Pussycat.
You say it.
Pussycat.
Hey, Pussycat.
If you want to see what you have so far, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can right click on your index thing anywhere in this area, and then click Open Live Server.
I totally see it.
And you're gonna see that the title here. Look.
Oh,
this is
yeah.
what you created right now. Your title is "Oh Duckling Hee Hee Hee." Okay, now that we have the title done, we're gonna add the little. Whenever you go to any website, you're gonna see that they have this little icon right here. Do you see that? So in order to do that, this is the default for Chrome. In order to do that, you need to create a favicon. I don't even know how to say it. Favicon of the image you downloaded. So you can use this website. I'm going to link it in the description. You're going to go to choose file, and you're going to open wherever you save the file, the image that you downloaded. So we're going to turn for my first website, go to images, and then this duck right here, we're going to turn it into favicon.
Whatever she said.
Okay, and then you're going to click create favicon. For this thing, just select the second one because we're not creating Android, Microsoft, or iOS. Okay.
I'm just imagining that exact duck just taking a selfie pointing at the big ball like that.
Okay, download the generator favicon and save it in your project. So for this case scenario for Woodsippy, it's my first web images, and you're just gonna leave it like that. Don't even change the name and save it. Okay, and then go back to your Visual Studio project. And in here, click enter.
Oh, duck! I just saw. Oh, duck.
And then you're gonna put link. You just type link, and you're gonna get those options. You click the first one.
Wait, how'd you do that? Wani, how'd you do that?
Instead of style sheet, replace style sheet with icon.
Okay.
Okay, and then for the href part, you're just telling it where your image is located. So for that, since you're in public right now, this thing is inside the public. Right? This is the child of public. So now we have to go up to a different parent. So the parent is images, right? So you're gonna put a slash image.
Honey.
And then do another slash. Yeah, you can select that one if you want. And then you're gonna click the favicon. So
okay, what does that do?
Okay, so what that does is now you click save, you save it, control S, or you can right click and put save, and you can see in your Chrome. Yeah. You go here and you're gonna see that the little, do you see here the little icon change? So you should see your new little icon changing.
I don't see anything. All I see
because you haven't saved it.
Save, you stupid. Control S.
And then
whoa. Sorry.
Okay, you're gonna go to your body and you're gonna create a header. So type header.
What?
Header.
No, I want a capital.
No, it doesn't matter.
Go to my 10, right?
Go inside your body. So right here.
HEA. And then DER, the bottom one, yeah. Header.
Oh, something I didn't explain was that this is like the start of a sentence, and this is the thing that has a little slash before it is like a period.
Oh, question. And then you're supposed to write it in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Teacher.
So everything that you're gonna write, what do you want the word to be?
What?
I mean, prove money and apologizes.
What is the arrows for?
What arrows?
The arrows on the thing on the side.
That just tells the browser or whoever's reading this that this is the start of a header. The start of these are called tags. Man, what are you doing?
He went to go shit his pants. I went to let out some gas. He went to let out some anger. Okay, whatever she said, yeah.
Okay, look.
Okay. What did I write it? I forget.
Yeah, you're gonna put whatever the name of whoever you're doing.
What do you mean?
The name you chose.
Can you read it out loud?
And look, it's already giving you hints.
Wait, can you read my name out loud?
Please. A pussycat.
A pussycat. So weird.
I can't say it normally. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, now that you have that, you can control save again if you want to see how it looks on your server, whatever, Chrome. This right here, look, it's gonna show up right there.
Oh, wait, can't you move it like somewhere?
Yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to move it somewhere later.
Wait,
after we finish with the whole.
What does it say?
Oh, again? Choose a different name. I can't say it apparently. Pussycat.
You suck. You say
Pussy?
Pussy? Okay, moving on.
Okay, moving on. Now you're gonna add an image again inside the body.
Where?
After header. After the header. Now you're gonna type IMG.
Honey, look at mine. Mine's is different than yours. Mine was different than yours. Because I did it wrong somehow. Oh, you did it wrong? Because I put it capital.
Yeah, don't.
Apparently that matters.
Yeah, oh yeah, everything matters. Okay, the capital H is not the same as a lowercase h. A capital I is not the same thing as a lowercase I. If you mess up that encoding, you're in big trouble.
You're dead.
Yeah, you're basically that. Those little things are the things that give you bugs, and then you have to go back and see where you mess up.
And then you get the virus.
Okay, so now you're gonna notice that you get a source, and you get an out right here, and these things tell you what it means. Alt. I don't know how to speak today. So for the source, that just means where your image is located. What image do you want to use? What is going to be your source? Obviously you have the little cat thing that you, not the little cat, the little duck thing that you downloaded.
What was mine?
So again, you save things in the image folder. So you're going to put a slash first because you're going outside the parent.
ING?
That one. Just click on it.
Did I do it wrong?
And then click the old duck, not the favicon, because that's not.
Wait, can't you? Yeah.
Wait,
what did I do
wrong? You can use the mouse too.
But this is too much.
You have to put a slash at the beginning, otherwise it's not going to show up.
Oh, / Oh, so this one. Oh, this one?
Yeah. Make sure you have a / because we're
and
not
the second one.
It depends on where you saved your image. Then for the alternate, this thing, just in case, let's say the person doesn't have an internet connection, so they can't see your image, the alternate right here is like what's in something that describes your image. So
a duck with the afro.
Yeah, so you can put that.
Can I put spaces? Yeah.
Yeah, you put spaces. So now we're moving on to the quote of the thing. So for that, you're gonna use a block quote. So you're gonna type you just type block.
Okay, what? Sorry, what?
Okay, after the image.
That one? This one, honey?
Go enter.
That one? Enter?
Yeah, that one. Select that one. And again, inside of it, you're going to put the code, whatever you think the duck said. Or whoever your character is that you're doing.
Yeah? Actually, when? I'm looking at it.
Inside of that.
What do I write?
Whatever the character you...
Meow.
Yeah.
Sure. Then that does
capitals
matter? Does capitals matter?
No. Anything inside of it, it doesn't matter.
Meow? How do you spell video?
Oh. Video?
Yeah.
V-I-T-E-O.
Wait, Ronnie, is this how you write meow? Ronnie, is this how you write meow?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
This video is a mess.
So this is just letting the browser know that you're inserting a block. I mean a quote. There. Okay. So this is what matters, that you spell correctly. Obviously, if you misspell this, the browser's not gonna know what to do.
And then it's gonna
Everything
give you
inside
a virus,
of it, you can write whatever you want inside of it. Okay. So now we're moving on to the description of that thing. So what you can use here is you can just type P, just a simple P.
Do I press enter again? You said simple, I did this. Do I press enter?
Yeah.
Paragraph?
Put a P and then choose the first one.
No, that's the first one.
It's just a P. That just means paragraph. You're gonna type in a paragraph. And then inside of it, again, write whatever you want.
Hi. Is it a quote?
Like, what is something that describes that person you're doing, or character?
Oh, I know.
So a lovable duck.
Honey, look at mine.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Meow again, very creative. So now that you have this done, you can control save just to see what you have so far.
Wait.
You didn't save it. You see the little black dot right there? It means you haven't saved it. So try to save it again. Yeah, and now you go back to your thing. This is how it looks so far. Look, old duckling. And it's so big because you didn't tell it what size you want the image to be. If you want to change the size of the image, anything inside of here, you just put width, like that. And you tell it how wide you want the picture to be.
How big is like this? Honey, this is legit what you did.
If you put 500, this is what I do often, is you just put a number that you think is good. Not 5,000, it's too much. Like 500, and control save and see how it looks. And you can always go back and change it.
You hit me. You want like this?
Okay, so go back and put a smaller number.
Honey. This is, you put 1.
This is in pixels, by the way.
Put 1.
1 would be too tiny.
Honey. Hey, this is, you hurt me. You know how you did this? You did this. So the width is how larger it is. It's just so mean that I could. What the hell happened? Okay. You're gonna delete. Oh yeah. 250 is good.
So if that's good for you, you can just leave it like that. Look at that cat. It's so adorable. You want to be able to. Do you want to put this in the middle somewhere like that?
Yeah.
So we want this. We want to create this basically.
That ugly thing. Yeah.
Okay. Inside your styles folder, over here in your left hand side.
What? Okay. Go to my styles.
Go to your styles folder, and you're gonna create a new file. And you're gonna name it index.
No capital. Index.com.
CSS.
CSS.
Enter. So,
and same thing.
Yeah, this extension. This is for decorating. No, not the same thing. This is for decorating your page.
Like that. Oh yeah.
Okay. So this is in charge of the how can I say it?
Wait, Ronnie, do this.
Just how what you see. Yeah, how it looks.
Ronnie,
and this is the design.
So this is basically how
don't put that.
So how is it born?
So this is different. This is not the same thing as this. So you're not going to be typing this stuff here. So what you're going to do is for your body, right? This is the daddy.
No, which one are we in public? Are we in public? No, styles.
Yeah, go back to. No, you can stay there. Just watch here. Just watch my screen real quick. So you see the body right here? Look.
Yeah.
You see how this is the ending? This is the end. This is the period. This is like a period in the sentence.
Period. Poo.
So everything inside of it, it's their kids, their babies or whatever.
Like
so you're gonna pick the body. You're gonna type. You're gonna tell the CSS. You're gonna tell. You're just gonna put body. And then you're gonna open the brackets, the curly brackets, and you're gonna give it a width. You're gonna tell them how wide to go. So we're gonna tell it to go 50% of the size of the screen. So you're gonna put width. You see that? And it shows you already, so you can.
Money, is this something?
The first one.
Why does it say one unsaved? And then I write it in the middle.
Wait, just pay attention real quick.
And then I write it here.
Yeah, then you're gonna put 50%. 50, and then the percent sign. Yeah, and press enter. And then you see the little semicolon.
Yeah.
So that just means it ends that sentence right there. That's the end of this sentence. So now you're gonna put margin. Remember, don't be capitalizing.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so like margin. And we're gonna put auto, the first one. Margin auto. Yeah. And you're gonna then save it. Oh, we need to tell this part, the HTML, we need to tell it that it needs to communicate with this guy, right? Because right now they don't know each other. So in order for them to know each other, you're gonna put another link right here. You're gonna link them together. And this is perfect. Look, this is a style sheet. This is the CSS is a style sheet. So you're just gonna leave it like that, and you're gonna put here where you saved your style sheet. So your style sheets is saved in styles, right? And then go to styles, wherever you saved your, and then you named it index. Control Control S, and then go back to your thing, and you're gonna see that it's right there. Okay, now we're gonna align everything on the center of it. Every text in here, we're gonna tell it to go to the center. So everything inside the body, again, you're gonna write text align. Just write down text, and you're gonna see that it says right there.
Oh, center?
Yes, center.
Money.
And click save again.
Money.
And go to your.
Yeah.
And now it's centered. And now we're gonna add this border right here to the body of it.
Wow.
Okay, so again, it's like English, okay? So tell it border.
Quack.
No? Yeah, that one. And you're gonna tell it how thick you want the border. So I picked 1 pixel, 2 pixels.
In index?
So give it 32 pixels. 2px. You're gonna write 2px. And then space. And then you're gonna tell it, do you want it solid? You want the line to be solid. This is a solid line.
What did you say? Solid?
And then the color of the, put space and what color you want. So you can do blue, black, whatever, red. Whatever color you want.
Is aqua color?
You can type aqua right there.
What is it? Oh, this one's not going there. That one, center, enter?
Yeah. And then save it so you can see what you've done so far.
Oops.
See, look at it. So that's what your thing looks so
Hold
far.
on, I'm gonna change it.
Yeah, you can always change it.
Look at mine.
Oh, look at Bella, you already did it.
Right.
There.
Control X. Like that?
Yeah.
Look, it matches. Honey, look.
Yeah. We're just decorating now. We're just painting the website. So now we want to make that.
So wait, you only put like 2 letters? I mean 2 like sentences, and then you go.
Look, you want to change the color of your name. So that's inside. So you have that guy is inside here. Do you see that? The header. So you're gonna tell your index. Gonna enter. Write header, because that's the name of your guy you're calling, and then put the little curly brackets again.
These?
Can you see? Shift and then and then you're gonna write inside the curly brackets. Do it like the other one. No, don't put the same thing. I mean, and then we're gonna put background color.
Alright, this is
Again, you don't need to capitalize crap. And then pick a color you want.
Wait, what? Do this one again.
And then the color, and make sure to tell it the color of the text. If you make your background yellow, then black is okay, and you can just leave it like that.
Text color?
No, just color. Yeah, it's weird. I got confused too when I was learning it. And then pick what make sure.
Wait, why is that like that? I'm so confused. I'm confused.
What do you mean? You have to click. You can't do it. So what you did there, you're not gonna be able to see. You're not gonna be able to see what you wrote.
Oh yeah, because
you made the color. Just get a look. I saw it there.
The doors are working. No, I'm learning how to code, bruh.
Wait, was someone knocking there? Yeah, I heard. Breaking into our house.
Can I change like the font?
Yeah, you can change the font as well. Right. Oh, make sure to close each sentence with the semicolon. So just put font family.
Honey? Did you not hear that?
No.
It was like, you know.
And then pick one of those.
Honey, you know how you try to open. You know how when you open the door, right? It was like.
What is it?
It was like shaking.
I think that's the same one you have.
Honey, the door was like shaking.
To get your options back, you
Wait,
can hold control space.
Oh.
And it gives you the options.
Honey, I need help. Oh. Like a comic book. I'm keep it like
I'm
this.
stuck with that hair. I can't take it seriously.
It's like a superhero thing.
Now, if you want to round the image, you see how I put a circle around
Honey,
the
why
image?
is that so creepy? It's just the way he says like, hi. Wanna die?
He's friendly. Okay, so now you want to circle.
Maybe I don't want that like touching the top. Wait, can I make it public?
Good. I like these questions from you people. My goodness. If you don't want the image touching the thing, you can put a margin. You see how you put a margin up there? But instead of putting auto this time, you give it a number. So margin bottom. You're gonna tell him to give him a space at the bottom, and put like 20 pixels, or you can experiment with that.
How much is? I want to see 20 pixels.
Try 20 px. Save it and see.
Honey, how do I do it? Can you help me?
What are you
I
trying
like
to
it.
do?
Shut the thing. That's 20 pixels. Like I'm trying to copy Ye's thing color.
Oh yeah, everything has to go inside the burger. This is the top bun. This is the bottom bun, and this is everything, the meat inside of it.
Oh.
So if you just want to outline the image, you have to add a padding. Go back to your index and see that you call it IMG.
Yeah.
So you can, for everything that's called IMG, it's gonna apply that effect. IMG is what it's called. So you go to your .css and you put IMG again with the little curly brackets every time you're trying to edit something. And inside of it, you're gonna put padding. Make sure you put the colon.
That wasn't a colon?
No, colon is right.
Oh, I just have to do this.
Yeah, that's the end of it. That's the end of the sentence. And this is just letting it know padding, blah, blah, blah. You're going to put however much space you want. 8 pixels will be okay, I guess, for that. Press save, control save. Wait, you're not going to be able to see anything yet because you haven't added a color.
Oh, yeah.
No, not there. Padding just means the space inside that block.
Wait, what do I write?
Background color. And give it whatever color you want to underline that. Press save and go check out your website. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Now he is a comic book character.
This is the title of the book.
So this is the end result of Woodsippy's page, and this is proof monies.
And you chose to watch this video, so you better have the patience. Cut that out. And he just puts it at the end. You decided to watch this video, so have patience. If you do, honey, I'm cutting you.